What is going on, guys? It's Suk and I am back with a brand new video on Super Duper Tech, and in today's video I'll be unboxing the Devialet Phantom. So without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So the first thing that I want to get into talking about is the overall pricing of this speaker. Now if you are also here in the United Kingdom, then this Devialet Phantom Gold Edition speaker will set you back around £2,190. Also, if you are in the United States, then this speaker is going to set you back around $2,990. Perhaps the craziest and the main selling point for the Phantom, at least the Gold Edition, is that it can output up to 4,500 watts. And this should indicate that this speaker is going to be able to output a lot more bass than other similar sized speakers. Now if we push the box out of its sleeve, we should get a closer look at what actually comes included with the Phantom. But before we even get into opening up the box, there's actually a leaflet that drops out which gives you a Spotify Premium membership. So if you enjoy using Spotify as opposed to other services such as Tidal, Deezer and Apple Music, then at least you'll be able to use this card to increase your membership. Now once we cut away at the plastic seals on the box, we'll then be able to have a closer look at the Devialet Phantom. Now taking a look from this angle, you're able to see how well the Phantom comes packaged, as the foam that surrounds it would definitely keep it very secure, especially when being shipped. So no matter how it gets shipped over to you, it will always arrive in pristine working condition. Once you take off the cloth that surrounds the speaker, you get a closer look at the reflective gold coloured finish. Now the cable, though it can be detached from the Phantom, has an approximate length of around 1.5 meters. And this comes already plugged into the Phantom. And the final thing to come included with the Phantom is of course the documentation. Now all you get is a quick start guide which gives you a general overview on how to pair and connect the Phantom up to a smartphone. Now this comes in a number of different languages, from Chinese to Spanish to French and English. So then guys, that has been it for today's video. I do hope you did enjoy it. If you did enjoy it, then be sure to hit that like button, and if you are new around here, then be sure to subscribe. If you have got any questions as to what you've seen in today's video, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can go ahead and hit me up on my social media. Once again, thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.